Friday night, another shift over. Clocking out and clocking in back here at the local. Well, the blonde right there on the stool looks finer than a Cadillac. I'm fixing to take her to the dance floor and never take her back. Brushing buckles, two-stepping in time. It's just me and you in this crowded room, burning down the night. I won't bother handing you lines. I get the feeling that I only need to ask, your truck or mine. They say about taking a cowboy's hat. By the look in your eyes, it'll be a hell of a night trying to get mine back. And I can't wait to get it back. Brushing buckles, two-stepping in time. It's just me and you in this crowded room, burning down the night. I won't bother handing you lines. I get the feeling that I only need to ask, your truck or mine. Hey. Well, you're looking so fine under that neon light. Baby, take my hand, we'll have a hell of a night. Brushing buckles, two-stepping in time. It's just me and you in this crowded room, burning down that night. I won't bother handing you lines. Get the feeling that I only need to ask, your truck or mine. Get the feeling that I only need to ask, your truck or mine.